In this, as well as in the upcoming parts, I want to show you how easy it is to crochet a small jumpsuit for babies. By following these instructions, I get an overall size which is ideal for babies in the age of 0 to 2 months. For this project, we need respectively 3 rolls of your desired color combination. In my case, I use Charisma yarn from Drops in Powder Pink and Natural Colors. Also a 4.5mm hook, a sewing needle and scissors. Additionally, we need a few crochet markers, measuring tape and any number of buttons to close the jumpsuit. After we made the top in the first part and the torso in the second, we will now continue with the legs in this part. First, we count off 38 stitches around here. Theoretically, these should be exactly half of all stitches we did. We place a marker at this point here. We switch colors once more and insert the thread again. We keep crocheting the same pattern as before until we get to the crochet marker. So we start off with a chain and single crochet. Once we reach the back, we turn everything around and do a double crochet row back. We begin these with 3 chains. We repeat these 2 rows, the single crochet and the double crochet row again for the second color afterwards. We have now stitched 4 rounds. From now on we will start to make the leg narrower on our way down. First we switch to the second color again. We start with a chain and will afterwards stitch the first and second stitch together into a single crochet. We keep working single crochet until only 2 stitches remain at the end. Once we reach the end, we only have 2 stitches remaining. These 2 we also stitch together into a single crochet. We turn everything around and do a normal double crochet row back. For that we start off by chaining 3 and afterwards we work a double crochet into each stitch. We turn everything over and switch to white. This round we also begin with a chain and stitch the first and second single crochet together into another single crochet. After this round we stitch another double crochet row back. Afterwards we switch colors again and begin with a single crochet round in which we work the first and last 2 stitches together. After that we continue with double crochet on our way back. Since the crochet marker we have now crocheted 3 pink and 3 white rows, so to speak. By crocheting the first and final 2 stitches together, we have shortened the previous 4 rows on the left and right sides. We begin with the leg breeches and take our pink thread first. We start off with a chain and do a single crochet into each stitch. We repeat this round back and forth until we have crocheted approximately 4 centimeters. It's better if you write down how many rows you have already crocheted. We have now crocheted 4 centimeters and close this round with a chain. At this point we can cut the thread off and pull it through the chain to secure it. We can also cut the white thread at this point. Only the second leg is missing. We turn everything onto the other side so that we kind of continue the row without any errors in our pattern. We insert the pink thread at the stitch next to the marker again. We begin with another chain and work a single crochet into every stitch until we reach the end of the round. I now have 37 stitches. We turn everything around and begin the next row with another 3 chains. A double crochet into each stitch follows until we get to the end. Afterwards, we switch colors and crochet a single crochet and double crochet row in white again. After both of the right rows, we change back to the pink thread. Here we also begin with a chain and work the first 2 stitches together into a single crochet again. We keep doing single crochet until we have 2 stitches left at the end. Once we reach the end, we work the final 2 stitches together into a single crochet once more. We begin the next row with another 3 chains and do a double crochet into each stitch. We turn everything around and switch back to the white color. We begin with a chain and work the first 2 stitches to a single crochet together once again. We continue with single crochet until there are only 2 stitches left at the end. We stitch the last and second to last stitch together into another single crochet. We turn everything over to the other side and begin by chaining 3 again. A double crochet row follows. I pull out the thread real quick and place both parts properly next to each other. We have now reached this point here. We are still missing 1 pink and 1 white row. For both of these rows, or rather for these 4 rows, we have to work the first 2 stitches at the beginning and the last 2 stitches together into 1 single crochet. Afterwards, a normal double crochet row follows, which means we will see each other shortly at this point here. We have now reached the lower end of the breeches. We switch one last time into the pink color. We chain 1 for the start and afterwards do a single crochet into each stitch. We repeat this row again until we reach the same height as on the other side. We have now crocheted the same length for both breeches. Now we only work a chain into the last stitch. We can pull out the thread here as well and cut it off. Through the chain we can now make the knot. We can also cut off the white thread. The legs are now finished. In the last part, before sewing the overall together, I'll explain to you how to crochet the sleeves.